How to use Sephora promo code. Welcome to our channel and let's start with the video. Open a browser that you prefer and you have to search for couponfollow.com and give it a search. In here you will find various of brands dealing with promo code and offers. To search for Sephora, you have to scroll to the very top and in the search bar, search for Sephora and tap on the suggestion given to you. You will find various of promo code that you can use. You can also enter your email address and tap on Get Alerts to never miss out a coupon or offer. To redeem a promo code, just select a promo code that you want to, then tap on Copy. To use it for instant, tap on Redeem at Sephora. With a single click, you will be redirected to the official homepage of Sephora. Make sure to log in to your Sephora account. Now let's go ahead and do some shopping on Sephora webpage. Here I have selected this eyelash curler. Then just tap on Add to Basket. Then you have to tap on Basket option at the side or just check out Shipped Items. In here you will find summary of your purchase and at the bottom you can enter your promo or reward code. Then just tap on Apply. Once you tap on Apply, you will see some of the discount on your estimated total. Then now all you have to do is pay for your purchase and then check out. And simply like that, you will be able to use the Sephora promo code. Isn't it simple? So make sure to go ahead and give it a like and thank you so much for tuning in. We'll see you very soon.